today we are going to learn about Hairy Money and how to count coins using Hairy Money. Here's a poem that talks about all the coins and how much they're worth. So if you would, repeat the poem with me. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents, I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. So there's the coins, and there's what they look like on the front and the back, and then how much each of them are worth. Okay. The next thing I want to talk to you about is that when we're counting coins, we count by fives. We count everything by fives except for the penny, because a penny is only worth 1 cent. The rest of the coins can be counted by fives. So let's practice counting by fives. So if you'll click on the song there, get up and get ready and dance and do the song. And when you're finished, then we'll go back to our lesson. All right, here's a penny. And of course, a penny is worth 1 cent. And it has no hairs on it. It is bald. Here is a nickel, and it is worth 5 cents, so it gets 1 hair. Here is a dime. It's worth 10 cents, so it gets 2 hairs. Here's a quarter. It's worth 25 cents, and it gets 5 hairs. Okay, so now it's your turn. I want you to practice. What you're going to do is you're going to get a handful of coins, put them in a cup. You need a piece of paper and a pencil, and then you're going to practice playing this shake and spill game. And so what you're going to do is you're going to shake the coins up. You're going to pour them out, and then you're going to put them in order from the greatest to the least, which would be the quarter to the penny. And then you're going to draw them on your piece of paper and count. Practice putting the hairs and counting them. So have fun, and if you have any questions, let me know.